Hello everyone. In today's helpful guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox microphone not working problem quickly and easily. If your voice chat is not working or Roblox cannot detect your mic, just follow these steps and you should be able to solve it in no time. First, open the Roblox app. Once you are on the home screen, tap the menu icon usually located in the top corner of the screen. This will open the main settings area for your Roblox account. Next, go to the settings section and then open Account Info. Here, check whether your account is eligible for voice chat. Roblox requires users to be at least 13 years old and to complete age verification before microphone and voice chat features become available. If your age is not verified yet, follow the on-screen instructions to upload your ID and complete the process. After confirming your account is eligible, close Roblox and open the Settings app on your device. This is where you control phone permissions and app features. Now scroll down and find Apps, Applications, or App Manager, depending on your phone model. Tap it and look for Roblox in the installed apps list. Select Roblox to open the app settings page. Inside the Roblox settings, tap Permissions. You will see different permission options such as camera, storage, and microphone. Open the microphone option and make sure it is set to allow. If it was denied before, changing it to allow will usually solve the issue instantly. After that, return to the Roblox app and restart it completely. Join a game that supports voice chat and test your microphone again. If it still doesn't work, restart your phone and make sure no other app is using the microphone in the background. Also check that your internet connection is stable and Roblox is updated to the latest version from the App Store. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy guides.